If you are going to attempt to replace a fuel pump on a Crown Victoria, you will come across a connector that's behind the rear passenger wheel, and you won't be able to see it, but it's tucked up in the corner. It's tucked up between the gas tank and the bottom of the car, and unfortunately you won't really see it very well. So you can see it, it's a little bit, try to get some light up there, but that's where it's at. Like I said, if you're working on the project, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's real tight corners to get up in this connector. And I'll just zoom out. However, it's very difficult to remove because it's hard to get to the connector. This is what the fuel pump looks like. This is the connector we're talking about. And what you have to do, you have to press this little button and pull it out, but it's trapped underneath the gas, between the gas tank and the bottom of the car. So what I did, I Dremeled. Let me see if I can mount the camera. What I did, I took a Dremel down here and I Dremeled a little bit off the bottom of this connector, so you can actually get a screwdriver in there and push on the tab and then remove the connector. If you look at the other side, it's thicker. I did not file that part down, and you can't get a screwdriver up there very effectively. It's hard to get in there. But if you just take about half of it off, let me see, just about half, you can stick the screwdriver in and pull that tab and slide the connector out. This way you don't have to drop the gas tank in order to get to this connector. I wish I could show you the connector better, but the lighting, and it's really hard to, it's a real tight quarters to see the connector connected in the car. But if you're working on this project, if you're working to remove this fuel pump from the gas tank, you will know what I'm talking about. And that's for a Crown Victoria. All right, guys, good luck with the project.